and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to understand how you can instantly send SMS notifications whenever your customer submits a feedback. So let's suppose that I have created my feedback form using Jotform, and my objective is whenever my customer is going to submit that feedback form, then instantly a thank you SMS, or you can say a confirmation SMS, should be sent to my lead, should be sent to my customer via SMS sending application, that is Twilio. So now here on the screen you can see an automation that I've already created by simply connecting these applications using an automation software. And now firstly, before we talk about this entire process step by step, let me show you that how actually this automation works for my own business by simply submitting a feedback via Jotform. And for that, let me take you to my form. So this is my feedback form that I've created using my Jotform, and here I've already pre-filled some details such as name, email, phone number. For the phone number, I've added my own number so that I can receive an SMS over here. And then you can see the product or service used, feedback, and the rating. So we're going to click on the submit, and it says thank you, your submission has been received. So now let me show you the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone that says sent from your Twilio trial account. Hi demo, thank you for sharing your feedback. We appreciate your time and will use your input to improve our services. So here you can see that I've received a personalized SMS on my phone number instantly as I submitted the feedback form. So here my SMS contains a statement that says sent from your Twilio trial account, because here I'm using a trial account. But if you're using a paid account, then your SMS will not contain any such statement. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this automation using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here, before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners, and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows, and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button, and then here is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So here I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says send SMS notification from Jotform with Twilio. And then for the folder I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you all know that we are receiving new feedback form submissions via Jotform. So we're going to select a trigger as Jotform and an app event as new response. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Jotform with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged inside my Jotform account. So this is my Jotform account, and these are the forms that I've already created inside my account. So as you all know that I'm going to use my feedback form over here. So we're going to edit this form first. And then we're going to click on the settings. From here we're going to select the integrations from the left side bar, and under integrations we are going to select the type of integrations as webhook. You can see already a webhook has been set up over here. So we're going to remove this integration, and then we're going to add a new integration by searching for the webhooks once again. Here we're going to add our webhook URL, and then we're going to click on this complete integration, and you can see it says integration ready. Now we're going to click on this finish button, and with this we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Jotform. Now I'm going to open it in a new tab. So here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response we need to do a test submission, and for that we need to make a form submission using our Jotform. So this is our feedback form, and again I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So let's suppose we are going to add the name as test user, email as test@pabblytunes.com. Here we're going to add a random phone number. Then here for the product or service used, I'm going to add it as neckband. And for the feedback, it is little small. Alright, so this is a very basic feedback, and here for the rating I'm going to give it as 3. Then we're going to click on this submit, and it says thank you, your submission has been received. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see instantly we have received a response where we have received all the form details. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new response, then instantly I want to send a SMS, a thank you personalized SMS to my customer via SMS sending application, that is Twilio. So here I'm using Twilio, but you can use some another SMS sending application as well. Alright, so for that we're going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Twilio. Then for the app event we are going to select send SMS message, and then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Twilio account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking for the account SID twice and the authorization token. So I'm following the instructions given below. Here I've already logged inside my Twilio account, and here under my console window you can see account SID, authorization token, and my Twilio phone number. So for now I'm going to copy both of these details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so I've successfully added the details, and then I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to add the body of the SMS. So here I need to enter the SMS. So here I need to enter the body of the SMS that I want to send to my customer whenever a new form submission has been received. So let me add the body. Alright, so I've successfully added the body that says, hi first name, thank you for sharing your feedback. We appreciate your time and will use your input to improve our services. And now here in the place of this first name, I'm going to map my customer name. I'm going to add my customer's first name. So now here instead of entering this name manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new form submission through a Jotform, then instantly this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the first name, I'm going to map the first name. Then here it is asking for the sender number and the recipient number. So I'm going to add my Twilio phone number that I have received. Alright, so this is my Twilio phone number, and then here for the recipient number, I'm going to map my customer's phone number over here. And in the front, I'm going to add my country code first, and then I'm going to map the customer's phone number. So I've entered the country code manually because all my customers belongs to India only. Alright, so this is my customer's phone number, and now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive an SMS over here. Alright, so let me add my number. Okay, so I've added my number and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent an SMS on my phone number. So now again, let me show you the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone. And here you can see the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone that says sent from your Twilio trial account. Hi Tess, thank you for sharing your feedback. We appreciate your time and will use your input to improve our services. So this is the exact same SMS with a personalized name. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up the entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Jotform and an action as Twilio. So that when you're going to receive a new form submission through our Jotform, then instantly a new SMS, then instantly a customized thank you SMS should be sent to our customer via Twilio. Alright, so these were the steps to how to send SMS notifications from Jotform with Twilio. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.